Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good night to everyone. So today I'm going to present my assignment, Mat 438, and I'm Muhammad Zahir Haiman bin Zaiful Izam. My matrix number is 20257819953. Alright, so let's go to the question number 1. So in this question, I will tell you the step how to solve this equation. As we can see, this question need to be solved using tabular method. Okay, tabular method is a shortcut for integration by part when we have a polynomial term that we call lion. So in this question, we have algebra and trigonometry. So it's suitable for tabular method. A table is created with 3 columns with sign, u, which is derivative, and dv for integrates. So for the first step, to do the tabular method, we need to do a sign column, which is it has alternate starting with positive symbol, negative, positive, and negative. And for the second one is u column, which is start with the polynomial in bracket x square plus 6 and differentiate step by step until reach 0. And for the third one is dv column, which is start with sine hyperbolic in bracket 3x and integrate it each time. So we're going to go to the step 2, which is constructing the antiderivative fx. So in this step, we will write out the antiderivative, multiply the terms diagonally, the current row's u term multiplied by the next row's dv term, and apply the sign of that row, which is we will get fx equal to in bracket x square plus 6 times in bracket 1 over 3 cos in bracket 3x bracket minus in bracket 2x in bracket times in bracket 1 over 9 sine hyperbolic in bracket 3x bracket plus 2 times in bracket 1 over 27 times cos in bracket 3x bracket. Next, we're gonna go to the step 3. In this step, we will evaluating the definite integral in bracket plugging in limits. Now apply the fundamental theorem of calculus by evaluating the limits from 0 to 1, which is in bracket f in bracket 1 minus f in bracket 0. So step 4, we're gonna get the last answer, and the last answer is 19.937. Okay, just that for the question 1. Okay, for step 4, we are simplifying the square root. As we can see in the in our equation, we get 16 plus 9x square, and we will get the 16 plus 9 in bracket 4 over 3 tan theta square, because for the x we get 4 over 3 tan theta. So we will substitute it in the equation. So after the substitution, we will get 16 plus 9 in bracket 16 plus 9 16 over 9 times tan square theta, and after we simplify it, we will get the 16 in bracket 1 over tan theta 1 over tan square theta. Since 1 over tan square theta equal to secant square theta, then we will put it into the equation, and we will get 16 secant square theta equal to 4 secant theta after we simplify it. And for the step 5, we need to substituting everything into the integral. Now substitute the simplified square root, which is x power 4 and dx back into the original problem, and we will get the integrate 4 secant square over 6 in bracket 4 over 3 tan theta in bracket powered by 4 times with 4 over 3 secant square theta d theta, and we will get 9 over 32 integrate secant powered by 3 theta over tan square theta d theta. By converting secant theta and tan theta into sines and cosines, we will get secant theta equal to 1 over cos theta and tan theta equal to sin theta over cos theta. It will collapse into the step 6. Okay, so we will get 9 over 32 integrate cos theta over sin powered by 4 theta d theta. Use standard powers rule integration, which is essentially a quick u substitution where u will be sin theta and du will be cos theta d theta. After that, we will get 9 over 32 in bracket sin theta powered by negative 3 over negative 3 plus c. Then simplify the numbers, and for the numbers 9 over 32 times negative 3, and we will get negative 3 over 32. for the step 7, converting back to x. Finish, look back at your triangle from step 3 to find sine theta. So for the sine theta, as we know, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So it will be 3x over 9x square plus 16. So my answer has 1 over sine theta. So I just flip that fraction upside down, and for the 1 over sine theta, we will get 9x square plus 16 over 3x. And my final answer will be negative 3 over 32 in bracket 9x square plus 16 over 3x in bracket powered by 3 plus c. I think just that from me for the question 2. Alright, hi, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we already reached to our final session in this video, which is we need to solve question number 3. So for question number 3, the step 1 is we need to factorize the bottom, which is denominator, before breaking the fraction apart. And you need to factor the bottom cubic polynomial by grouping terms. For the group 1, we will get x square minus x square equal to x square times x minus 1. And for the group 2 is we will get 4x minus 4 equal to 4 times x minus 1. Then we need to combine them to get in bracket x minus 1 times in bracket x square plus 4. Next, step 2. So for the step 2, we need to setting up the split fraction. For simple linear part, in bracket x minus 1, just put constant a on top. And for the quadratic part, in bracket x square plus 4, that cannot be factor, you must do a linear expression, which is dx plus c on top. So the equation will be 5x square plus 6x plus 4 over in bracket x minus 1 times in bracket x square plus 4, and equal to a over x minus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 4. Then multiply everything by the bottom to clear out the fraction, leaving you with this main baseline equation. We will get 5x square plus cx plus 4 equal to a times in bracket x square plus 4 plus in bracket bx plus 6 plus c times in bracket x minus 1. Then step 3, finding the missing number, which is for a, b and c. To find the value of a, b and c, you choose easy number to plug in for x that makes parts of the equation disappear. So to find a, we need to let x equal to 1. This term, the in bracket x minus 1 will turn into 0, and for the equation will be 4 in bracket 1 square plus 6 in bracket 1 plus 4 equal to a in bracket times 1 square plus 4 plus 0. So we will bring the number to the left and the constant to the right. So it will be 15 equal to 5a, and a will be equal to 3. To find c, we need to let x equal to 0. So it will turn these terms of dx into 0, and we already know a equal to 3. So just substitute a equal to 3 in the equation, and it will be 5 times 0 square plus 6 times 0 plus 4 equal to 3 times in bracket 0 square plus 4 plus in bracket 0 plus c times 0 minus 1, and we will get c equal to 8. To find b, we need to let x equal to negative 1. So we already know a equal to 3 and c equal to 8. So just substitute them into the equation, and it will be 5 times negative 1 square plus 6 times negative 1 plus 4 equal to 3 times negative 1 square plus 4 plus b times negative 1 plus 8 and times with negative 1 and negative 1. So we will get b equal to 2. So step 4, we need to integrate the pieces. Now substitute a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to 8 in the equation. So for the piece number 1, we can use natural log rule. Okay, so as we can see, integrate 3 over x minus 1 dx will equal to 3 log x minus 1. And for the piece 2, we need to use substitution, where u equal to x square plus 4 and du equal to 2x dx. So for this equation, you can see integrate 2x over x square plus 4 dx will equal to log in bracket x square plus 4. And piece number 3, we can use arctangent or inverse tangent rule. So the formula will be integrate 1 over x square plus e square dx equal to 1 over a times arctangent times in bracket x over a, where a equal to 2. So the equation will be 8 over x square plus 4 dx equal to 8 times in bracket 1 over 2 arctangent times x over 2, and the answer will be 4 arctangent times in bracket x over 2, and the final answer will be 3 log x in bracket x minus 1 plus log in bracket x square plus 4 plus 4 arctangent times in bracket x over 2 plus c. I think just that for me in this for this question number 3. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.